Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nuna, and in today's video I'm going to review the green mask stick. So about a week ago I stumbled across one of these green mask stick review videos, and I saw a clip of the unbelievable results that you're supposed to get from this product after just one application. So I want to try it out for myself to see if I get those types of results or find out whether it's even possible. This is the green mask stick, and if you read the label, it says it contains green tea ingredients, fresh and natural, softens old dead skin cells, and cleans pores and dirt, balances excess oil on the skin, replenishes moisture and nutrients to the skin, and makes the skin soft and shiny. Based on that, it doesn't really give any promises of instant results, but if you take a look at the promo video, it's showing that you're supposed to get instantly perfect smooth skin with one application. Now if we take a look at the key ingredients in this face mask, it says that it has glycerin, green tea leaf extract, and vitamin E. So these are the key ingredients. So let's take a look and see what each of these ingredients normally does for the skin. First, we have the green tea extract, which has anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, which helps to reduce irritation as well as help with acne and oily skin. Then we have the vitamins, which includes the vitamin E. This helps the skin to maintain moisture. And then finally we have glycerin, which is a humectant. This helps the skin to retain moisture and relieves dryness and softens the skin. Okay, so I'm going to test out the face mask now. I'm going to apply it and leave it on for the 10 to 15 minutes that it recommends, and then I'm going to wash it off and see what type of results I get. Before I apply this face mask, I'm going to show you a close-up of my skin so we can see the before and compare it to the after. So I have hyperpigmentation on my skin and a few blackheads around my nose. So let's see what results I get. So it has a cap on top.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Okay, so I've applied the mask. I'll come back and show you what the mask looks like. Okay guys, it's been about 10 minutes and I'm ready to take this mask off. You can see that the face mask looks just the same as I applied it. It just looks like a regular green mask that was applied to my face. So let me take it off and see what my skin looks like after. So I'm taking a washcloth and wetting it, and then I'm going to wipe it off. Okay, so these are the results. I don't see any difference. It looks like I just applied a regular face mask and washed it off. I don't see any brightening, any removal of blackheads. They're still there. Okay guys, so obviously it's not possible to get the instant results that were shown in the product promotion video. Maybe if you use this product over time, you would experience some type of benefits from the green tea extract, glycerin, and vitamin E. But who knows what other ingredients are in that green mask stick and if it would irritate your skin or cause some type of reaction over time. The best thing to do is to have a skin routine in place, and of course see a dermatologist if you have any serious skin concern. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you liked this video, please hit the like button. Please comment down below what you'd like to see next, and please subscribe so you don't miss my next video. Thank you for watching.